What is it, Jake? What do you have on your tongue?
I eat some snow and it's good.
You ate some snow and it's good?
Yeah. Guys, what is
Can you get me an umbrella so I can hold it over the camera? What do you think, guys? Not yet. The ground is too warm.
Not yet.
It is snowing. Thank you.
No, I don't. No, I don't. Hey, get back here, Snow.
And that's without a scraper still.
Where are we going?
Snow.
You need to make a snowball?
Yeah.
You gotta wait until there's enough on the ground.
How's it taste, Zach?
Yummy. Ah.
Don't get too close to the fence. Some people might panic and run through it.
Surprised everybody has to slow to a crawl. They must be like right down the street now.
They're going pretty slow for there, though. Emily, what do you think? Yummy snow. Is it chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry flavored?
Watch out, son. That thing's been laying on the grass for like 2 weeks.
Wrigley might have peed on it.
Yeah. Maybe.
Perhaps.
Alright, that's enough, Zach. Keep your mouth off of that, please.
Hey, Rig.
That's been on the ground for a while. It's probably got germs on it.
What do you think, Wrigley?
You've seen it all.
It's like I've been wondering where this stuff's been.
Yeah.
The boy lost his mitten. The boy lost mitten.
Be gentle, guys.
Remember, he's an old man.